Okay, so the final step. I have populated my model, my space plan, with a relatively simple chair, a simple component that can be edited and manipulated as I want. So when I open this chair all the way up and select it, I can now move it in and out, push them in if I want to make the tables look like all the chairs have been pushed in. And now I'm going to select these 3D elements and put them back in our original model for presentation. I'm just going to worry about this big main stuff for right now. Let's pretend that I've gone through and added some tables and tables here, but for the sake of time, I'm going to go to Edit, Copy. So we're in our space plan section. Okay, now let's go to our other model, which is the model Pool Building for Presentation. Remember this one? This is the one where we just basically set up the plan, the views, the perspective, all of that. So I'm just going to go to my perspective working. Because this model was made before the other one, and because we've made everything in the exact same place and basically just copied it over to the new one, instead of saying Edit Paste, I'm going to go to Edit Paste in Place and drop all of that stuff down onto the floor. So this is putting everything that I've just worked on in place into my model that has all the materials in it. So now when I go to my views, I can look at this and look at how it lays out and basically have a conversation with someone and say, okay, if you put these tables and chairs in this position, this is what they're going to look like. But I've done all the heavy lifting in a much lighter model. So what I want from you for this week, or for this assignment, I should say, is one model, I should say, sorry, one model that has the 3 floor plans in place. Okay, and then choose either the event space or the banquet and replace the components with 3D components. Then copy and paste those 3D components into the Pool Building for Presentation. So you can submit both Pool Building for Presentation and Pool Building for Space Plan, just so I can see toggle off and on and make sure that the appropriate layers are in place and the appropriate scenes are in place. And that's it.